you're on.
Well, this is not in its home position. There it is.
Okay, action.
So this snap ring goes on this outside here and prevents it from going in. But there's no way it's gonna come out with all the pressure of the cylinder on it. There's a snap ring on the inside. So what you need to do is drive this gland back in. And there's a groove in here. Can you see that groove? Right here?
Yep.
That groove is set up for this washer. If you look at this washer, it's tapered. So you put this washer in here, in that groove, but it's too big. I gotta get a pair of cutters.
Yep.
So you get this washer in that groove, or this plastic piece in that groove, and it doesn't let the snap ring fall in the hole. I don't know why
It's so big.
John Deere sent me a big one.
So it's like in his home position.
Not yet. There.
Now what are you gonna do?
Now you pull this out. But you see how that's caught right here?
Yeah.
It's still too big. You think they would give me the correct size one?
Well, I guess they
Must be
a multi-tool.
one, yeah. So I need to just cut a little bit more off of that guy. I don't know how precise it needs to be.
There's a little part that fell in there too, I think. Some garbage. There's some garbage in there, Joe.
There.
In the bottom right there.
Oh. Come on out there, garbage.
Okay, now what?
Now when you pull this out, ouch.
Holy cow! There it is. Ow, my eye! Just kidding. That was for dramatic effect.
Almost, ow! It did get you!
Still in there.
And here's the snap ring, right here. It falls into that groove.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
And here's where the external goes.
okay.
That other one here goes in here. So it doesn't allow it to go in and it can't come out.
Well done.